Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm looking at some Tiffany sunglasses. I just want to show you what they look like and how they come. So they get them in a hard case like you see here. This is how the glasses come. Let's open them up and take a look at them together. I just want to show you what they look like and give you a little close-up and give you some idea what they are. So it comes in a box like you see. Of course, it does come with the Tiffany branded glass cloth to clean your glasses with, which is super important. And this is how they are. Let's take them out of the case and take a look at them right now. So these are really high, beautiful fashion sunglasses. I just want to show you what they look like all around. You can see how they're all beautifully done. Got the beautiful sides right here. And I'll show you the other side. And it's got these little crystals right here. They're really super pretty. Let me just show you the real close up of that. You can see it is all branded. Sorry about the out of focus. There we go. Tiffany and Company. You can see the stones right here all around. The glasses are absolutely stunning. They're beautiful. They fit very comfortably. Just a nice high quality, really heavy duty pair of nice sunglasses. And they're nice quality. They fit really nicely on the face. They fit beautifully. I got a little mannequin. I want to put them on. I want to show you what they look like. You can see, I want to show you, this is how they look on. I want to just give you an idea how they look, how beautiful they look all around the sides. They fit around the ear beautifully. On the other side here, I can show you the other side, just like that. Again, high quality. I love the stones. They're really nice quality crystals. And with Tiffany quality, you can't go wrong. Highly recommend these. Definitely the way to go. And high fashion and beautiful sunglasses. Just give you an idea on size real quick. Lenses are approximately across around 2.5 inches. Yep, 2.5 inches. And the height of these is roughly around 2 inches. So that's your size dimensions across. And then just a nice quality, beautiful sunglass. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped. Please, if it did, don't forget to follow me for more. I really appreciate your time as always. And thanks for watching.